If you can use beauty blender on your face, you should be able to use it on your eyes as well. Hey everyone, it's me Smeen here. Hope you all are doing good. Today I try this TikTok viral eyeshadow hack. If you are ready, pick up your eyeshadow palette and a beauty blenders and let's begin. I have already done my eyebrows and foundation too. For eye makeup today I am using Kashi Silk and Sleek eyeshadow palette. You can use a Empress and a Power shade or any eyeshadow that you have. I am just using a dry beauty sponge. You can use any beauty blender that you have. I don't want to wet the sponge because I don't want to spoil my eyeshadows. And overall this method works better when the sponge is dry. I am going to start it with these two beautiful eyeshadows. As you can see, it looks so beautiful together. I will pick first matte and then on the tip of beauty blender this metallic shade. And now I am going to stamp it on my eyes. It's super simple and super easy. Just don't be hurry and do it like this. Oh, it's so beautiful. You can leave it like this and apply mascara and done. But I just want to complete look. I will pick up this shade and apply on my crease and blend it. Next, I will pick up this transparent glitter and apply in the middle of my eyes. It will look really beautiful with this makeup. Since I fell in love. With the help of wet small brush, I am going to apply this highlighter on my inner eye and on my brow bone to highlight my eye. Now I got the same eyeshadow on my angle brush and smudging with my finger. The next I am going to apply a really beautiful liner. It's not a proper winged eyeliner, but you can use everyday eyeliner style. So beautiful, and I can't deny. I am applying this Huda Beauty pencil in my lower lash and upper lash. It looks so beautiful. Next, I am curling my eyelashes to apply the mascara because it looks really nice, and because of some eye problem I am not going to use false lashes in today's look. My heart is always with you, my head's always stuck in. If you are not using false lashes, you can use this hack. This is so beautiful and superb eyelash mascara hack. You can try this. Time, love, let me go, 'cause I've been holding on for far too long. I've been fighting and keeping strong. Now you just gotta let me go. Time, wash away every feeling that can cause. Don't forget to apply mascara on lower lash line. Me pain, all these memories I can't escape. Can you let them all wash away? Let it all wash away, 'cause I don't wanna feel the pain. Love, just let me go, 'cause I don't wanna feel the pain of holding on and keeping strong. So now I'm moving on. Now mascara is dry and I am using this spoolie and I will comb my lashes. This is super cool and easy hack. You can try this. It's really work nice. As you can see, the lash is so beautiful. I hope you liked today's video. If you like, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more and press the bell icon. Thank you so much. I don't wanna feel the same, so love, just let me go.